Welcome back to this video. The very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. So I'm going to open my Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app right here. Having opened up your Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here to proceed to your profile. And here you go. Next thing you want to do is to go ahead and locate a particular product or goods that you want to ask a refund for. So I'm going to go ahead and click on here to open up the Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead to select the product I want to refund right here. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yaku. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. So the very first thing I'm going to do right here is to go ahead and click on here to get a refund. Just like so, it's going to take me right here. Next thing we want to do here is to go ahead and click on here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here. Then select the reason why you are asking for a refund from the drop down options right here. So from my own end right here, I'm going to choose these options right here. Having chosen the reason, next thing you want to do is to go ahead and state and type in a statement right here. And for that, I'm going to access from my Pinduoduo right here. I'll go ahead and open up my Google Translate right here. So Google Translate is a free app for easy translation from one language to another language. You can get it from Google Play Store if you are using Android phone. If you are using iPhone, you can also get it in App Store. What you need to do is to go ahead and type in Google Translate. Download and install the app and use it for translation right here. So on getting to the app, set your primary language to be English. Why is it going to translate to Chinese? I will go ahead and enter text right here and say seller refuse to ship. Ship in time. Just like so. So next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to copy the Chinese character. Then I go back to my Pinduoduo right here. Then I click on here, paste the text right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to submit my refund request. Just like so. And allow the refund to completely submitted. And then refund has been successfully done right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and you can see a notification from Pinduoduo right here. Next thing I'm going to do is to access from here now. And next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on here to access from here. By the time I refresh this page, the product is no longer found here. We go back to my Pinduoduo right here, refresh. You can see the product is no longer right here. So lastly, I will go ahead and open my Alipay to confirm the receiving of the refund successful. I'm going to click on here now and go ahead and open up my Alipay app. And I've opened up my Alipay app. Next thing I'm going to do right here, you can see a notification of RMB of 159.64 yuan. Next thing I'm going to do is to go ahead and click on my chat box right here, my messages. Then I go ahead and click on my notifications right here. And I go ahead and click on payments. So here we go. You can see refund notice, refund method successfully into the balance in my Alipay app. It's that simple. So this is how to simply ask for a refund on Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app without any stress. More tutorial, tips and tricks on how to ship and import products from China using Pinduoduo Chinese shopping app. Consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure Lincoln 1688, Taobao, Pinduoduo, or Idofish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you